Welcome back to the channel. Today we're fixing a kitchen chair. The leg's completely broken off, as you can see here. And while we look for new chairs, I need to fix this one real quick so people can sit on it. I think we can do it. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, please like, subscribe and comment. And let's get this fixed. Or we can go outside and play. We bought these chairs at a resale store and it looks like somebody had fixed this broken leg before. Didn't do a good job. So we're going to clean all that out and do it properly. First thing, I'm going to take the nail off that's holding the crossbar. So this is what it looks like. There's plenty of glue surface, so should be able to glue this back together. You can see the glue squeeze out from the previous fix that somebody had done. So we're going to sand it down a little bit and then glue it back together. So I'll let the glue dry for about 30-40 minutes. Now I'm taking the clamps off. And then for extra strength, I'm going to put some dowels in across the broken joint. So I'll let the glue dry for a few hours and taking the clamps off and trimming the dowels back a little bit, and then I'm going to sand them down. So I'm going to make my own wood filler. Take some sawdust from the sander, mix in some glue, mix it all together into a paste, and you got yourself some wood filler. Once the wood filler is dry, go to sand it back down again. I think they call this the Matthias Wandel test. I'm going to sit on it, make sure it doesn't break. Go ahead and kick it as well to make sure it doesn't snap on me. And all looks good. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.